We're on the Scooter, and it's a fifth wheel, V40. It's flat free wheels, so it's going to give a bouncy ride. And we're with the Action 6 down below, secured to a double clamp. The best way I could get it on there, by the fork. It's the Action 6 on the bottom, double clamp, rock steady, on Pro, my favorite settings today, right now. The sun's in the camera, it's in my eyes, the winter sun. Enjoy the ride. Nice long wait, half an hour later. We're ready to go. Get on out of here. Woo! We're on the highest electronic image stabilization you can imagine. That means I'm able to do a 360 using the full sensor.